Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can block sites on Google Chrome. So let's start. So first, open up your Google Chrome and click on the three dots here beside your profile picture. Go to Extensions and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. So from here, go to the search bar and type in block websites. Click on the first result and click on Add to Chrome. Once it's done adding, it is going to take you to this website and click on I accept. So here under Choose Plan, click on Skip, and right below it, click on Skip. Now from this part here, you can click on Add to Block List, and you can type the URL or the website that you want to block in Google Chrome. So for example, let's try to type in youtube.com and click on the plus icon right here and click on Done. Now, YouTube is blocked in Google Chrome. So when you go ahead and open up a new tab and go to youtube.com, it will redirect you to this page. So to unblock a website, you can simply click on the trash icon right here, and that website is now removed from the block list. So if you go to YouTube again, you can now access this website. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.